In this lesson, we're going to simplify fractions. In the previous lesson, I had said that you have to use the highest common factor to divide the numerator and the denominator. Sometimes it may be difficult to find the highest common factor, but I want to show you that you can use any factor that you can get. So that's what we're going to be doing in this lesson. Right, let's start with 12 over 48. Right, 12 over 48. Right, let's say the factor that you can pick here, the factor of 12 and 48, you can even use 2. You divide till you cannot divide anymore. You can use 2 here and say 12 divided by 2. What is 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then 48 divided by 2 is 24. So it means we have 6 over 24. Still, we can see that we have common factors between 6 and 24. You can use 2. You can even use 3 here. Let's use 3. 6 divided by 3, what is it? Is 2. Then 24 divided by 3 is what? Is 8. And then we remain with 2 over 8. Still, we have common factors between 2 and 8. Now we can use 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we get our answer, which is 1 over 4. So this is the simplest form of what? Of 12 over 48. So let's say if you fail to get the highest common factor, you can divide using small factors till you get to the simplest form. AB 15 over 45. Right, the highest common factor here is 15. We can say 15 divided by 15 is 1, then 45 divided by 15 is 3. But let's say you decide to use 5. You can say 15 divided by 5 is 3, and then 45 divided by 5 is 9. So we have 3 over 9. And then here, between 3 and 9, we have 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we get our 1 over 3. C, we have 18 over 48. Right? The highest common factor here may be 6. Okay, you can say 18 divided by 6 is 3. 48 divided by 6, you get 8. But now, let's say you decide to use 2. You can say 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then 48 divided by 2 is 24. Then you get your 9 over 24. You can use 3 now between 9 and 24. You can say 9 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. You see, you're getting your 3 over 8. Okay, that's another way of doing it. D, 30 divided by 45. You can even start with 5 or start with 3. Okay, let's start with 5. 30 divided by 5, we get 6. And then 45 divided by 5, we get 9. And then between 6 and 9, we have 3. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. You get your 2 over 3. But you could have used your highest common factor, which is 15. Say 30 divided by 15 is 2. Then 45 divided by 15 is 3. At E, we only have one factor here, which is 11. So we just say 22 divided by 11, we get 2. 77 divided by 11, we get 7. And then F, 16 over 56. You can even start by dividing by 2 or even 4. Okay, but let's say we want to use 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 56 divided by 2, that is 28. And then now between 8 and 28, we have 4. You can say 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And then 28 divided by 4, which is 7. So our simplest form here is 2 over 7. Then G, 20 over 28. We can use 2 here. We can even use 4. Let's use 4. 20 divided by 4, what you get? We get 5. Then 28 divided by 4, we get what? We get 7. H, 36 over 48. We can even start with 2. And say 36 divided by 2, that is 18. 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Right? And then we have 2 here, even 3. We can use 3. Let's use 3. 18 divided by 3, what is it? It's 6. And then 24 divided by 3, that is 8. And then we can use 2 here. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So that's another way of doing it. Let's say you don't want to use the highest common factor. You can simplify fractions like this.